In the dynamic and complex field of construction, material management emerges as a crucial cornerstone for the successful execution of projects. This integral process encompasses a comprehensive approach that includes the planning, procurement, storage, and utilization of construction materials. Now, here are some of the key challenges in material management. Now, one of the major challenges in material management is dealing with the unpredictability of the supply chain. Factors like geopolitical events, economic fluctuations, and natural disasters can disrupt the supply of key materials, leading to delays and increased cost. While technology plays a critical role in modern material management, integrating complex systems like ERP or BIM can be challenging. Moreover, ensuring consistent quality of material is another significant challenge in this process. Further, accurately forecasting and managing costs associated with material is a key challenge. Fluctuating material prices and unpredicted expenditures can significantly impact the overall budget of the project. So, do you want to know how successful construction managers tackle above challenges and achieve a more streamlined and cost effective operation, aligning with the broader goals of sustainability and efficiency of their construction project? First of all, project managers are very clear with their objectives in terms of material management, which are efficient material planning, purchasing, procuring and receiving, storing and inventory control, supply and distribution of material, quality assurance, good supplier relationship, and improved departmental efficiency. Based on above objectives, construction project managers categorize material management in 6 primary functions, which are material requirements planning, purchasing, inventory planning and control, ascertaining and maintaining the flow and supply of materials, quality control of materials, and departmental efficiency. Now, if you want to achieve success in your construction project, set up these 4 primary processes for your construction site. That is planning, procurement, logistics, and inventory. Now, let's talk about these processes in detail. Now, accurate material planning involves the detailed forecasting of material requirements throughout different stages of the construction project. To do this, a detailed project estimate based on GFCs and working drawings should be prepared before starting the project. Material quantity can be derived from the estimates beforehand. Along with this, chalk down the lead time of the respective materials based on which you can place orders at the right time. Now map the required quantity of material with the project schedule and work out the dates for ordering the required materials for the activity. Here, the idea is your material should reach on site once the site team gets the work front or kickstarts the respective works. Now, utilizing tools like building information modeling, which is also called as BIM, can aid in working out material quantity. Establishing a streamlined procurement process is crucial for the timely delivery of materials, thereby avoiding costly project delays. Your process should not always consume time and efforts in finding new vendors for better pricing and quality. Once you establish that the quality supplied by the supplier is as per the required standards, then further you should nurture your relationship with the vendors in such a way that they always give you the most competitive pricing in the market. Now, once the trust is established, credit period can also be availed from the vendor. Furthermore, ensuring diversified suppliers and effectively managing these relationships helps in mitigating risk related to supplier reliability and material shortages. It also ensures a more resilient supply chain and often leads to better material quality and cost effectiveness. Now try and keep the processes as minimalist as possible. Keep the logistics in the scope of supplier. This puts the supplier in charge of ensuring the material delivery on site, hence reducing project managers' activity as well as hassle. Now construction managers in this case has to take care of order placing with suppliers only. Well, implementing an effective inventory management system is key to tracking material usage, reducing losses, and managing storage cost. Techniques like just-in-time delivery can significantly minimize inventory holding costs and reduce waste. Further distribution on site job location from the site store should be recorded well for the respective structures and contractors. This further helps project managers in reconciling the project. Now that was about various processes involved in the material management. However, integrating technology solutions such as enterprise resource planning systems can provide real-time insights into material requirements, aiding in better decision making and more accurate forecasting. Now let's see some of the key benefits which comes from implementing above processes. Effective material management leads to substantial cost savings by reducing waste and minimizing expenses associated with storage and material handling. Timely availability of materials due to effective management avoids delays in construction schedules. Now, maintaining a consistent quality of materials is crucial for the overall success of the construction project. Now, by foreseeing and managing potential material related issues, effective material management helps in mitigating risk associated with material shortages, supplier problems, and price volatility, ensuring smoother project execution. Effective material management involves developing and maintaining good relationships with suppliers, which can lead to benefits like better pricing, priority services, and access to higher quality materials. Now, efficient material management practices provide the flexibility to adapt to changes in project scope or design and scalability to handle different sizes and types of construction projects effectively. In conclusion, material management excellence is vital for optimizing resource allocation in construction. Now, you can become a successful project manager by adopting these discussed effective strategies and leveraging technology.